Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Viveka. Thanks so much for joining me today. Today's look was super fun, it's great for you guys. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. You'll get notified every time I post a new video. Everything that I used on and off camera will also be linked down in the description below, so don't forget to check that before you leave. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into this tutorial. First, I'm going to go ahead and use my ABH brush number 18 and my NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade Caramel to carve out my eyebrows and use that as my eyeshadow base. Next, I like to pat in my concealer. This just ensures we have one even layer before we start putting on our eyeshadows. Now I'm going to set that eyeshadow base with my Mercier Translucent Powder. Taking Solar Dust from Starcrushedminerals, we're going to blend this right above our crease using my MAC 224 brush. Taking Pinkie Pie from Starcrushedminerals, we're going to go ahead and blend that in slightly under the yellow with my Morphe M513 brush. Next, we're going into Some Like It Hot Pink and using that same Morphe M513 brush, and we're layering this color over Pinkie Pie. Taking Royal Rage by Starcrushedminerals, we're going to be using our Morphe M506 brush and M507 brush to nicely place that in the outer corner and just slightly above our natural crease. we're going to use our MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC42 and taking that same ABH brush number 18 to cut my crease. And we're going to cut slightly above my natural crease so our shimmer shadow does not transfer. Taking my BH Cosmetics Club Tropicana 28 color Foiled Eyeshadow Palette, we're taking that mint teal shade and putting that all over our eyelid, and we're blending that into the dark purple on the outer edge. Going back in with Royal Rage, we're going to go ahead and blend those edges out. I went ahead and did my foundation routine off camera, but next what we're going to go into is Solar Dust again and put that underneath our eye as our first transition color. Now we're going back into Pinkie Pie and blending that on top of the yellow. Taking some Like It Hot Pink, we're going to blend that directly under our lash line so we can have the same color scheme as we did on our crease. Taking Royal Rage, we're going to go ahead and take a smaller blending brush and we're just going to go ahead and place that dark purple right under our lash line so it doesn't look too dark underneath. Now I'm going to take the Kat Von D Metal Crush highlighters, and I'm using the shade Helix and putting that in my inner corner for a pop of sparkle. Taking my Bobbi Brown highlighting powder in Pink Glow, we're going to place that right in our brow bone. Next, we're going to go ahead and use our Milk Makeup Kush Mascara to coat our eyelashes, and I did put my lashes on off camera. And to seal the deal, we're going to go ahead and use our Urban Decay Chill Makeup Setting Spray. And that is the end of the look, guys. Thanks so much for watching.